Hello, good morning. Thanks for joining in today. Today I'm making 3 vegetarian dishes. So I'm going to upload them over 3 videos. The first one I'm going to show you is a potato dish called Katalian. My mom used to make it and we used to love it. All these are not party dishes. These are just simple everyday dishes when you don't have much time to cook. It's a very, very easy dish to cook. So first thing I've done, I've sliced my potatoes. I've taken 6 small medium-sized potatoes which I've sliced in about 2 millimeter thick slices, and I have washed them. In a frying pan I'm going to put some cooking oil, about 2 tablespoonfuls, and into the cooking oil I'm going to put Zeera or cumin seeds, and I have taken a quite large amount of Zeera, which is a heaped teaspoonful. So let's put that in there. Into the oil I'm also going to put some Methi seeds or Fenugreek seeds, and this is about a teaspoonful. Don't put too much of it. The reason is because they are quite bitter, and with the Fenugreek I got a 3/4 teaspoonful of salt in there as well. I'm going to add turmeric powder, which is about a teaspoonful, because this is what's going to give the color to the dish. Otherwise the dish looks very anemic, very pale. And I'm going to cook this for maybe 30 seconds to a minute until my Zeera and other spices are cooked. My stove is at a medium heat. So spices have been cooking for about a minute now. They smell very nice. I got 2 dry red chilies. I'm going to crush one. Just going to break it in my hand. Put the chili in there, and one I'm going to put the way it is, so it doesn't give rise to too much spice in there. You don't want it too hot. So after 30 seconds to a minute, I'm going to squeeze some tomato puree into it. Maybe a tablespoonful of tomato puree. Again, gives a good tangy taste and a nice color. Stir it for a few seconds. And into it, after maybe 15-20 seconds, go my potatoes. This dish should be enough to serve 3 people, and I'm going to put small amount of water in it. There's enough water in there just to soften the potatoes, no more than that, because I want the dish to be quite dry. And I'm going to keep it on low heat so my spices don't burn. Cover it up with the lid and leave it there until they're completely soft. Katalian been cooking for about half an hour. You can see the color is lovely. It's quite dry, just a bit of oil in the bottom. Just going to take a couple of potatoes out to see whether they're cooked, and do they need any more salt or anything in it. They're very soft. Potatoes are nicely cooked. Really nice. I don't like them very spicy. If you want to put more spice in it, feel free to put more chilies in it, but this for me is absolutely right. I'm going to serve it with a garnish of coriander. So I got some fresh coriander from the garden, just a bit of garnish on top. And that is the end of the dish. I hope you enjoy this dish. Certainly try it. It's very easy to cook and very nice to eat. I'm going to have it with either chapati or naan bread with some other vegetables I'm cooking today. So I hope you enjoyed. See you soon until next time. Thanks for watching.